afternoon. As you can see, I am boondocking in a beautiful spot. I have actually boondocked here before. Herslev Strand, Herslev Beach, and it is not the first time, but I enjoy this place so much, and as you know, now I work and mostly boondock near Copenhagen, very near Copenhagen, on the very outskirts. And when it's weekend, today it's Saturday, I like to go away from the noise and the big city and the traffic and all that, and go enjoy nature. I slept here last night, and today I've been cleaning, tidying up, charging my batteries. Actually right now the generator is going on the other side of the nest, and just trying to get the house battery in the nest fully charged. Let me take you down to see the area here. It's really beautiful, and as I say, I've been here before, so some of you will recognize the spot. Over here you see the orange thing, right? Oh, let me see if I can point at it. Right there. Yeah, right there. That's my generator. I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but maybe you can. It is a very nice and quiet spot, and the only reason why I break the silence with my generator is that there's actually no one here. Every now and again someone comes in their car and take their dog for a walk, but not very often. I think there's been 2 or 3 people this morning, so I kind of decided, well, okay, I can run the generator, get some power on my batteries. And inside the nest, all my laptops and all my electronics are charging. I was using my vacuum cleaner this morning. There you are. Now you can really see the area, right? See the water. No, I was using my vacuum cleaner this morning, and it was good. I used it both in the nest and in the car, and it for sure picked up a lot of garbage. So a lot of sand, actually, sand and gravel and stuff like that. Obviously, when walk out in and out, it'll carry it inside. So, but yeah, look at this. Ain't that beautiful? See the swans? I think the temperature is just around freezing. So, but no ice on the water. Maybe just above freezing. And a bit windy. But yeah, this is really nice. I think I mentioned it before. This water is Roskilde Fjord. It's really it's one of my favorite spots. It really is. When my battery is charged, I'm gonna pack up and move to another spot. I looked at Google Map and found a spot that I think I can go to and boondock. I will let you have a look when I get to that spot too. That will be my first time at that spot. It's a new spot I never saw before, so all I know about it is what I saw on Google Map. I will go back and check the charge on my battery and see if it's time to move on. I also need to get some lunch, and actually if I want some lunch I need to go around a supermarket or something, because I don't have anything in the fridge. All I got in the fridge is a pack of pancakes. I guess I could eat that for lunch, but well, I need to get something. I'll see you guys later. Well, that's what happens every now and again. The spot I had planned to park was blocked off with big rocks. It's back here, a little bit back. So I need to find another spot and also find out how to get there. So I will be spending a little bit of time here looking at Google and trying to figure out what to do. Be right back to you. Finally success. I found a place to park. It is actually also a place that I have been before. I found a place on Google that I was planning to go to, and I went there. And as I told you, it was blocked off by rocks. So I found a new place, and the new place was in a, what do you call it, a road that was not accessible with the car. So then I drove to this place, Moses Fortress. It is a big parking lot, and I will show you tomorrow the area, because right now it's cold and windy, and I'm in the nest, got the heat going, and got my feet under the blanket. And then I got a little bit of a treat for myself. I will show you here. This here is a cream cake with fresh cream and vanilla cream and all kinds of stuff that I for sure don't need, but I wanted. I stopped at a supermarket and did some shopping, and I also bought some food for tonight and some food for tomorrow. So well, I'm gonna kick back and wait for the temperature to go up, and then I'm gonna enjoy myself the rest of the day. And actually, I did buy something healthy as well, oranges. So not all cake and calories. Anyway, see you guys later. Good morning. As I told you yesterday, it's not always I can find glamorous, beautiful spots to boondock. This was my third try yesterday before I succeeded finding a spot where I could park. I'm just looking for my key. Let's go outside and have a look at this spot. It is a bit windy outside. It's just, well, as you can see behind me, it is basically just a big parking lot. Not exactly glamorous. And the weather, not very nice either. So, oh, and cold. Let's go back inside. I'm just gonna get ready and then I'm gonna drive off from here. So, ready to drive off. It is. It's cold this morning. Let's just see. Yeah, it's cold. It's just around 0. So I'm hoping to get a bit of warm heat into the car in a moment as soon as the engine gets hot, so I can keep warm, because this is anyway, let's get going. You see the parking lot is actually right next to a rather big road, the coastal road here, leading to Copenhagen. Let's get some heat into this car. I had planned to stay in a beautiful area. That plan kind of went bust when the first two beautiful areas I found, they were blocked off, but well, that's what happens sometimes. I use Google Map to find spots, and it's not always a success. That's what, you know, it's okay. I found a spot where I could boondock, and I had a nice and quiet night. Not too much traffic noise, no drunks. So it's okay. Sometimes it is kind of funny to see how people drive. They're so stressed out. A lot of people, they rush, you know, and it's really no reason for it. Nice and calm gets you there, and gets you there safely. When you sit and get angry and upset and all wind up in traffic, the only result is you make yourself miserable, you know? It's just stay calm and take it easy. Everything will be alright. It is a lot more comfortable to just stay calm, and also safer for sure. You know, just, oh well. So, as I said, I'm on my way to have a shower, go to the public pool down here, have a shower and a swim. You know, it's a nice pool actually. It's wish I could show you, but I'm not allowed to bring the camera inside, obviously. And the parking lot is nice and big, so there's always room for me. Without too much hassle. Let's see, did we get the nest inside? Yeah. That's fine. Well, you see the red building right in front of us. That is, it's kind of a sports center, you know, and there's all kinds of, you can do all kinds of activities in there, all kinds of indoor activities. And as you know, I'm just gonna go to the pool. When I pay my 1 month entrance fee for the pool, I actually at the same time pay for the gym, so I could go exercise at the gym, but nah, I'm too lazy for that. I know it would be good for me, but no, I really don't feel like sitting inside and doing exercise. I'd rather go for a walk in nature. So I'm just gonna go to the pool, have a nice shower, go soak in the hot tub, and then do the sauna afterwards, and then after that go find a boondocking spot for tonight. See you guys a little later on. Time to go find a boondocking spot. Let's see if I got more luck than yesterday. I found a spot on Google Map, and I hope well, I hope it's a good spot. Let's see. Does look kind of promising. It's a gravel road, there, see it. Let's see. This is the spot I've looked at. Let's have a look further down just to a museum down here. Just want to have a look if there's more than one option. this is for sure an option if I arrive after dark in the evening. Right now it's the parking lot for the museum, and as long as the museum is open, it would be kind of rude to take up a lot of space in the parking lot, but after hours, that is for sure an option. That's great. I love these kind of spots in the forest, which is very dark when it's time to sleep, and quiet. I don't think there's any big roads nearby, so it should be very quiet. That'll do it. Success. This spot is wonderful, really. Have a look. It's just forest behind me. This is truly a great place to boondock, that's for sure. So, the weekend ended good. I had a nice trip to the pool, had a nice shower and a swim, and now this wonderful place. Well, you see guys, life is good. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.